if you're just talking about, I think it's very important. I'm just saying this because I did research for my character. You know, keep his shirts and his trousers and his little handkerchief and his pen and everything perfectly. And it's just about being very perfect in the way you dress. You know, if you're a girl, your hair has to be properly done. It has to be very presentable, because at the end of the day, when you are an executive, and when you're talking to clients and stuff like that, you're selling something, you're talking to them, you're interacting with them, you have to look presentable. So you need to be very neat and clean, and you need to be a little conservative in the way you dress.
आई थिंक एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसमें थोड़ा सा शुद्ध देसी रोमांस भी है, जिसमें धूम मचाने वाले गाने भी हैं, और जिसमें गुंडे नहीं है, एक गुंडा है, वो है मायरा के पापा जो ऋषि कपूर सर हैं इस फिल्म के अंदर। तो ये तीनों चीज़ें आपको बेवकूफ़ियों में नज़र आएगी, तो ये फिल्म आप देखने जाइए। इसको मार्केटिंग की इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आप लोगों की ज़रूरत है।
There was an entire research which was done behind it, and that research came up with various other things, like why a girl is taken when she smokes, it's taken as not so right, and when a guy smokes, it's taken as a right thing. So the maximum efforts have been taken for Shuddh Desi Romance. Maybe it was not as successful to most of, with the society being very still, not being able to accept many things. But I think Shuddh Desi Romance, undoubtedly, the efforts have been the most. Thank you.
I think they were all were actually marketed pretty well, but I honestly feel that Shuddh Desi Romance, due to the new actor in that, required a bit of push, and that is the best thing actually. Everybody did that.
I honestly feel like the love makes the world go round. I'm like one of those girls who walks around and I can see like hearts popping in the air. I'm a complete romantic. I think sometimes when you have love and when you have something that's really positive, everything else just follows. You just have to be extremely positive, very much in love. And yeah, I know I'm sounding completely impractical in life, but that is the whole point of living life, is to live life each day. I honestly believe you have to live every second of every minute of every day like it's your last, and that's what I do. So I don't know about practicalities. I'm the least practical person on this planet, and I like it that way. I'm quite happy. Everything just takes care of itself. So I'm very happy in my life right now, not thinking about mundane things like money and jobs and what's going to happen to my film on Friday.
You know, I auditioned for I Hate Love Stories as Imran's friend.
And
I was rejected. So this is quite surreal for me, you know. From a second fiddle to a main lead, opposite Sonam Kapoor. And apart from that, I've given so many auditions, I've been rejected so many times, I've lost count, yeah, seriously. So I remember there was this there was a hunt for actors, and I was rejected in regional round in Chandigarh. Because all the other actors were 6'3", and they couldn't speak a word of Hindi. तुम बिना बोले ही मुझे reject कर दिया था. Always wanted to be an actor. In fact, I was putting up an act when I was an anchor on television. So a Bewakoof actor in Yash Raj films by far. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's called Khamakha from our film, and Raghu Dixit ne compose kiya, and it's Habib Faisal has written the song. Khamakha jod tod kare, Khamakha bye bye pe mare, Khamakha kyun प्यार से डरे, Khamakha क्यों करे तू परे, हर स्टोरी की तू मेरी हीरोइन है, हर स्टोरी की तू मेरी हैप्पी एंडिंग है, Khamakha Khamakha. And the winner is
Raisa Ghosh.